Explosivio. Bill Hugall's Explosivio. Explosivio, new $100 day method plus case study from our student Will Weatherly. Fresh and unique method. And results come quickly with this method, within just 48 hours to start making sales. This is a very explosive system. The main method is fast, scalable, and consistent. It brings in thousands of niche targeted visitors for less than $10 in less than 48 hours. Then Will shows you how to create a massive follower base and continue engagement, followers, opt-ins, and sales. No tech skills required to do this. No experience needed. Having a list is optional. No SEO, no blogging, no face in front of the camera. None of that. Newbie banks $50 to $100 day with this Explosivo. I found a really unique and fresh method today. The guy behind this is a complete newbie, and he's banking $50 to $100 per day with this unique traffic source. Get all the details and see all his proof. No email list required to do this. No mind-numbing work. No product or videos required. Nothing techy at all. No prior experience needed. This 100-day system is very newbie-friendly, and it creates an explosion of profits. Hope to see you on the inside. Explosivio upgrades. Fay. Explosivo, $7.95 to $13. This is a very explosive system. The main method is fast, scalable, and consistent. It brings in thousands of niche targeted visitors for less than $10 in less than 48 hours. Then Will shows you how to create a massive follower base and continue engagement, followers, opt-ins, and sales. Will is banking $50 day to $100 day with this method alone. Auto number 1, super simple $300 day method, $27. This method can be used side by side with the main Explosivo product. We sold this recently for $97, so this is a juicy $70 discount on this. Auto number 2, full resale rights to Explosivo, $47. Give your customers full resale rights to Explosivo so they can earn the same 100% commissions across the funnel. And we're also including all the sales material. Auto number 3, the Stealth $10K Ninja, $197. This is a proven and tested $10K Mo system. Normally we charge $297 for this, but we are taking $100 off for Explosivo customers only. No product launching required to do this. No product creation. No list needed either. This is much easier than anything you've seen before. Auto number 4, how to bank insane 5-figure days, $27. This is a very powerful 5-figure day system that we have only revealed in our top-level $297 and $397 programs. So for us to let this go for only $27 is crazy. Auto number 5, simple buyer's list method, $12. Revealed how to build a responsive buyer's list without ever creating or launching a product. Bill Hugall's Explosivio.